You don't even need a whole 13 by 6 or 13 by 4. This modern party space is perfect. As you guys can see, the lace is very pretty. So for my girls out there that know how to braid, you can do some nice braids in this hair. Light, relaxed type of unit, guys. You can't beat this. Alright y'all, so I'm going ahead and slip this wig down. Very, very simple and straight to the point. Now this is what you call a same day install. Very, very nice, guys. Absolutely nothing done to this wig. Straight out the box first and foremost. So as you guys can see, the unit is very, very pretty. It is a good amount of parting space on this one too, guys. So I want to go ahead and maybe do like a little styling to it. As you guys can see, they tweezed this unit to the T. There is like a little bit of a curvature on this lace, so it is pre-cut. They kind of did like little, you know, curvatures around it to make it more seamless. So all I'm gonna do is just add a little bit of powder. I'm gonna cut a little bit of this extra little bitty lace off right here. Nothing too serious, very small. Cut a little bit of this off and then add a little bit of powder to it. And then we're gonna go ahead and just straighten the unit out. Again, this is straight out the box, honey, okay? Straight out the box, fabulous. Very pretty wig. It is a Yaki texture, as you guys can see, kind of like a relaxed texture. Very, very gorgeous. Let's go ahead and play with this hair a little bit. Let's straighten and see what it's giving. So I got my straightener on high. I do have my attachment to it. I actually burned some of the teeth of the attachment, but it still does the job either way. But you guys can see, look at that. A nice kind of like relaxed look, a nice little light relaxed straight look, guys, and it's not taking away any of that texture. Okay, now she's definitely cute. Very, very nice, guys. Like I said, this is a relaxed texture, like a light Yaki texture. Very, very clean. Now, y'all know my middle part never middle parts, but I feel like this is giving what it needs to give. I do like how very sleek this is and how it's just the same day. And so, like, literally, guys, a little hot comb on the top, a little straightening job, and you're good to go. I use my Fenty Beauty foundation powder to actually powder my scalpage, and that is that, guys. Very, very sleek. Look at that. Just very, very sleek, very, very pretty. A nice, very nice, light, relaxed type of unit, guys. You can't beat this. And look at that. Very sleek and natural, guys. You don't even need a whole 13 by 6 or 13 by 4. This modern party space is perfect for a very nice, simple middle part, clean style. You can also do a curved part on this unit, guys, if you want to, but I think the middle part is definitely giving what it needs to give. Very, very gorgeous, guys. Very, very glueless and straight to the point. Let me show y'all something else. So I'm definitely not a braider, but this came out cute. I did like a little braided situation up here. And as you guys can see, the lace is very pretty. So for my girls out there that know how to braid, you can do some nice braids in this hair. The actual texture in the base of this wig, the closure part, is very, very soft and very, very easy to manage. So this is what it's looking like, guys. That's it, a little razzle dazzle, a little something. Absolutely love this unit, guys. The length is perfect, the density is perfect, and it's an effortless unit. You can do multiple styles with it. If you don't want to wear it in the middle part, you can go ahead and switch it to the side part, or you go ahead and do some fun little braids or something at the top. I think this is very cute and on trend. You guys know like these little styles are coming back in trend. Add some butterfly clips to it and you're pretty much good to go, guys. So again, I'm not the biggest braided master or whatever, but I did what I needed to do. So let me know what you guys think about this unit, guys. I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code, guys. Shout out to Beautyforever here for sponsoring today's video, guys, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.